In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an animated GIF in PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a super useful skill if you want to turn a simple presentation slide into something eye-catching for social media, emails, websites, or quick tutorials. And the best part is, you can do it right inside PowerPoint without needing any extra software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint and start with a blank slide or the slide you want to animate. Now, add whatever you want inside your GIF. That could be text, shapes, icons, screenshots, or images. The more intentional your layout is, the better your final GIF will look. Try to keep things clear and simple because GIFs work best when the message is easy to understand at a glance. Once your content is on the slide, click the Animations tab at the top. This is where the fun starts. Here, you can apply animation effects like fade, zoom, fly-in, or even motion puff if you want something a little more dynamic. If you're making a clean professional GIF, fade and zoom are usually the easiest places to start. Select the object you want to animate, choose an effect, and then repeat this for each element you want to move or appear on the slide. After that, go to the Animation Pane. This is important because it lets you control exactly how the animations behave. In the Animation Pane, you can see each effect listed in order, and you can fine-tune the timing for each one. Adjust the duration if you want the animation to play faster or slower. Shorter duration makes the GIF feel snappier, while longer duration gives it a smoother, more relaxed feel. You can also set a delay if you want one animation to start after another. This is really useful for making text appear first and images animate in afterward. If your GIF has multiple steps, take a moment to preview the sequence and make sure everything flows naturally. Now let's make sure the animation loops properly. Go to the slideshow menu, then click Set up Slides Show. In the options, check the box that says Loop continuously until escape. This step is important if you want your GIF to repeat smoothly instead of stopping after one playthrough. It makes the final result feel more polished and more usable for social media or website embeds. Once your animation looks the way you want, it's time to export it as a GIF. Click File, then choose Export. From there, select Create an Animated GIF. PowerPoint will give you a few options, including quality and the number of seconds spent on each slide. Higher quality looks better, but may create a larger file size, so pick the setting that works best for your needs. If your GIF is meant for web use or sharing in messages, a balanced quality setting is usually the safest choice. After that, click Create GIF, choose where you want to save it, and let PowerPoint render the file. Depending on the complexity of your animations, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll have a finished animated GIF ready to share anywhere you want. And that's how you make an animated GIF in PowerPoint from start to finish. You've added your content, animated it, set the timing, made it loop, and exported it as a GIF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.